I'm Deb Goebel with Stearns Electric Association. We are located in Melrose and St. Joseph, Minnesota. Let's look at the safety standards for our first aid kits. We have 13 areas to consider as we are answering the questions, are you RESAP ready? First, do we have them in a proper location? We should be able to find them in our buildings and accessible to our employees. Break rooms, lunchrooms, warehouse, outbuildings, etc. And we need to have them in each co-op vehicle. Second, can we even find the first aid kits? We should be able to see them with some signage indicating its location. If it's in the building, we usually find it above the unit. If it's in a vehicle, make sure to place the sticker on the side it is stored. Third, we need to be able to get to the first aid kit. Make sure it's not blocked by equipment in the building or not buried in a bin of a truck. It should be visible when the bin or door is open. Fourth, now that we found it, is it ready use status? The kit should be clean and easy to open with no rust on the container. We should also not find any broken parts on the container. If so, it's time to get a new one. Fifth, we should find a list of contents in the kit. This helps the user know what to keep in the kit and how many of each item that's needed. Yours are located one at Stearns. Six, as we are going through the kit, look for the expired items. It's usually ointments or solutions, and you can find the expirations on the item. If they have been expired, it's time to discard and make sure to replace them promptly. You can find these items in the master kit. 7, we usually find one main kit called a master kit that stocks the larger quantity of items. It can serve as one of the building's first aid kits, and we use it to restock the smaller kits. Remind employees of its purpose from time to time. For items 8 and 9, we look at the frequency of inspections. A kit should be inspected by the user at least once a month. Having a tag on it reinforces the action and indicates it's been done. Our 10th action is to then have a formal documented inspection once a year. This is a great time to make sure that you have all of the number of bandages, etc. needed. This record can be electronic or on paper. Unfortunately, we often find kits that no one seems to own. For our 11th action, make sure every kit has an identified owner so we know the kit has been maintained and is in ready use status. For the final 2 actions, our kits won't be very useful if our employees are not trained in how to use the items. Make sure to certify both your field employees as well as your inside employees in first aid, CPR, AED. These life-saving skills can be used at work and at home. We've now considered the 13 areas for setting your safety standards for first aid kits. And now you know, so let's go do. And always remember, it's your words and your actions that set your safety standard. And never forget to live your commitment to safety today.